colors. And then we have only one layer of the chamfer foil on it. Super cute, right? It looks like a lot of work, but it's not draw a painting. And then you achieve it from the foil, so it's cute image. It's a really cool about the foils. I love it. Doesn't matter whatever box you get. It's really cool that you don't have to settle with the whole entire image. You can select any spot, any angle of the foil you like. You can do vertical, horizontal, you can do left, right, you can do however you want. Like this one, I pick it out from the middle of nowhere, you know. But if you like that image, you do that. And then maybe next nail I said, I love you so much, you know, me too. So something like that. You can do this spot, and you can turn it left, right, and however. You can be even upside down. Doesn't matter. So for this design, we are having one layer, which is chamfer foil. It's normally with the chamfer foil basically between $5 to $6. A lot of you are doing it $6 now. So, and I see some salon doing $7, which is really depend on the salon location. Why I'm saying it? Because a lot of you are, it depend on where is your salon is. As like, for instance, if you are in New York City or in California or some of the big cities that had a higher of, you know, cost of living, which is, you know, your leasing, your building, whatever it is cost you more. You are definitely want to able to make sure that it able to take care of whatever you're doing for your business. So then it could be from $7 and or $6 or $8, depend on your salon location. But then also it depends on the products you use and the technique. So with this one, if we say start with $6 for the foil, and then if the clients want to add some details on this one, so like frame and some crystal here, this design will be, it to me is $8 for the nails. Like this is absolutely fair for you and your clients. So like, because it's simple enough, but it's so cute. This won't breaking client's bank, and then it won't take you like a half an hour to do one nail. So this will give you probably about 5 minutes to do this nails or less when you are getting a lot of clients that you're doing it so regularly. So it's gonna, you're able to getting like nail it down, bam bam bam, done, you know, in like probably 5 minutes on each nail, and it will be able to bring you additional of $8 for each nail. So if you have 2 nails for each client and you already make additionals of a good of $16. So if you have 5 clients a day, it will be able to bring you 16 and 5, so it will be able to bring you additional of $72 on the top of your income on that day. So I'm gonna put $8 for this one. And then if you add some more crystals, like you can able to price it a difference for your clients. So this one is $8. I think it's fair for you and the clients because it's just chamfer foil and it's couple of a crystal in the frame. All right. So this is to give the clients an idea that, you know, here's a $8 range, and then here is a $15 range because you have a foil underneath completely the nails, and you have a diamond dust pixie, and then you have a charm, a centerpiece, and a crystal. So, and then on this one is super cute. So here's like talking about this one. This one have a lot of cute crystal, even though it's randomly and like spontaneous, but it's still, it's a lot of cute centerpiece you put in there. And then also it's all different mix of the crystal, and you have your ombre underneath. So now ombre start, this simple ombre is not like any other complicated ombre, because this ombre is not like a liquid and powder ombre. So this is the encapsulated glitter ombre. So this is gonna start from a $6 of an ombre, which is one layer, and then another layer for this design could be around is $10 to $12. It's again, it depends on the salon location. Is it $10 for this crystal design is really fair for you because you have a centerpieces, and then also like expensive centerpieces is mean that in all of the big nice shape of exquisite design. And then you have your beads, your frame, and all different detail. You have to see this one in person though. It looks like it's blend really well, it's under the camera, but if you see this one in person, this one looks really cute. I really like it. So with this one is $6 underneath, and then your $10 to $12. This is $10 to $12 of a crystal is really fair for you. And you can do this one range between the $16 to the $18. So it's really fair for clients. So now if you have clients, oh, I love this crystal so much, but as my price range is only $15, so can you do some things like really cute and similar, like say, okay, so you love the crystal like this, so can we do without the ombre underneath? If you can do without ombre underneath, which is mean that it's taking off from a $6 from the clients already from the ticket, right? So then she can still remaining with $12 and remaining under $12, under $15 of a crystal. So she only pay 12 instead of 18, because it's more layer. It require a more time from you and more techniques, more products, and then more skills for you to do. So if the client's like, oh, okay, no problem, you can do whatever, but I want to keep the crystal, say, okay, great. So then this is the crystal will be is $12, you know, to $15. It depends on the salon location, right? So I'm gonna page is here, so then it's going to be 6 and 12, so it's about $18 for this one. 16 to 18.